Welcome, everyone. We've got a lot to cover in a very short period of time. I'm sure you all know the drill, so we're going to jump right in. In a few minutes, I'm going to introduce 5 founders and CEOs that are going to talk to you about their amazing companies. But for the next few minutes, I'm going to talk to you about our company, AcuityMD. AcuityMD is the intelligence platform purpose-built for Medtech. I'm Alex Wakefield. I'm Chief Revenue Officer of AcuityMD, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the organization and how we help our customers. So, all the way from startup to scale up, AcuityMD helps power your commercial operations. So when you, all powered by our industry-leading data set. So when you think about creating your market, your TAMs, assessing the size of your market, where you might want to launch your products, how you're going to structure your territories, where might you place your sales reps, where might you want to go sell, all of the upfront pre-go-to-market operations you can model and build inside the platform. Once we've done that and we've identified you've mapped your products to your relevant billing codes and how you can most effectively go sell your products, we'll float to the top of the application, specifically which targets, physicians, sites of care, you have the highest probability of closing, and how you should be targeting those particular opportunities. We've also recently launched a contracts application that allows you to prioritize what products of yours might be on contract to, again, increase the productivity of your sales efforts. As you move downstream and try to and work on becoming a trusted partner and managing insightful conversations with your customers, there's another application I'm going to talk about, Care Journeys, that allows you to have great conversations with your site of care partners so that you can provide them relevant insights on how they might improve their businesses. One of the things that we've recently introduced to the application with the AI craze and frenzy is AI-enabled call planning inside the application. So once we have prioritized who your best targets are, particularly on the physician side, who are the best physicians to sell your products to, with the click of a button, we can create very specific AI-generated call plans for you. So that will identify industry trends, it will identify payer trends, and proactively suggest strategies that allow you to most effectively win opportunities for your particular products. As we move down the chain and into sales stage management, and you manage your products through the sales pipeline, no longer do you need to go pay large sums of money to other companies that are synonymous with CRM. All of that can be managed inside the platform so that you can customize your sales stages specific to your business and effectively manage your opportunities through the pipeline and manage your commercial workflow, all the way down to quoting for your accounts so that you can accurately quote your products to your particular customers. And at the end of the day, we want to give the ability to yourselves, your field reps, to more effectively achieve the targets that you've set, manage their book of business effectively, and ultimately that leads into more accurate business planning, forecasting, predictable, sustainable revenue, which of course is incredibly important if you want to exit your company or you grow into a sustainable business. The more you can grow and more predictable you can be, the better it's going to be for your organization. So, a couple more points on some of these new additions I presented last year on the platform. Some of the newer things we've identified is our contracts module. If your products are on contract, it takes a lot of time and effort to get those contracts finalized, but that does not guarantee a sale. So we float again to the top, filtered based on what products are on contract for you, so that you can increase your probability of closing a sale. I mentioned Care Journeys earlier as well. So this allows you to give insights into your hospital partners on particular diagnoses and procedures where they might be leaking their customers to other systems or networks so that you can have a good conversation with your partners to allow them to retain more of the patients in their ecosystem and ideally improve patient outcomes. So as we strive to be partners with our customers, we are proud to support over 300 customers. And what's relevant, I think, for this group is over 200 of them are 50 million or below in revenue, 30 plus are pre-commercial companies, and we've helped more than 20 customers exit into strategics. Interestingly, also 6 of the global top medtech companies are customers of AcuityMD. So all the way from startup to scale up to buy up, AcuityMD can help power your commercial operation. Now, if you got any questions for myself or a couple of people in the room, happy to answer them. We've got a session with a current customer, former customer at 3 p.m. Come see us.